Hello, hi everyone. This is Vinayak Damale. I just came from Pune, specifically to Orchis, to make a renovation or make changes in my car regarding the seat covers and everything. I like their services. I saw their YouTube videos; those are pretty awesome. And I would like to suggest everyone that please have a look at my car, and you can see the difference by yourself. There are various choices of colors, and they are very flexible according to our suggestions, and it was really great experience with them. So thanks a lot for their guidance and services, and I am happy customer, and I will recommend everyone the same. Thank you.